students. Teacher Shelby here with a review video all about question words. Are you ready? ¿Listos? Let's go. The first question word is what. 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 Es como qué. What? ¿Qué? En español. What is used to ask for information? To ask for information. What se utiliza para pedir información? What? What is your name? My name is Shelby. What is your number? What is your number? What is your address? Or what is your favorite food? What? What? Number 2, who? 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 ¿Quién? Who? Who is asked, we ask about people. It's used to ask about people. Se utiliza who para preguntar por personas. Who? Who are you? Who? Who is that? Who is calling you? Who is your friend? Who? ¿Quién? Who? Whose? Whose? ¿De quién? Whose is used to ask about possession. Whose se utiliza para preguntar por la posesión. Whose? ¿De quién? Whose phone? Whose phone? Whose car is that? Whose? ¿De quién? Whose? When? Number 4, when? ¿Cuándo? When is used to ask for time. When se utiliza para pedir tiempo, la hora. When are you going to English class? When do you work? When do you wake up in the morning? When do you go to sleep? When? ¿Cuándo? When? Number 5, where? Where? ¿Dónde? Where? Where is used to ask for a place or a location. Where se utiliza para preguntar por un lugar o una ubicación. Where? Where is your house? Where is your English class? Where is your phone? Where? Where are your keys? Where? ¿Dónde? Where? Number 6, why? Why? ¿Por qué? Why? Why is used to ask for a reason. Why se utiliza para preguntar por una razón. A reason. Why are you happy? ¿Por qué? Why? Why are you tired? Why are you tired? Why are you studying English? Why? ¿Por qué? Why? Number 7, which? Which? ¿Cuál? Which is used to ask about choice. Which se utiliza para preguntar sobre la elección. Which color do you like? Green or red? Which ice cream do you want? Chocolate or vanilla? Which? ¿Cuál? Which? Number 8, how? How? ¿Cómo? How? How is used to ask for way or form. How se utiliza para preguntar por el modo o la forma. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? How is your job? How is your family? How? ¿Cómo? How? Number 9. How many? How many? ¿Cuánto o cuántos? How many? How many is used to ask about quantity. How many se utiliza para preguntar por la cantidad. Quantity. Cantidad. How many kids do you have? How many pets do you have? How many? ¿Cuántos? How many? Number 10, how much? How much? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuántos también? But how much is used to talk about cost. How much se utiliza para preguntar por el coste, dinero. We talk about money. We ask, how much is the coffee? How much are the English classes? How much? And number 11, the last one, la última, number 11, how often? How often? ¿Con qué frecuencia? How often is used to ask about frequency. How often se utiliza para preguntar por la frecuencia. Frequency. How often do you go to the gym? How often? How often do you go to English class? How often do you go on vacation? How often? ¿Con qué frecuencia? How often? Okay, that's all for today. 11 question words. Estamos acabados. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you later. Bye.